Is your DoorDash background check stuck? This often happens due to incomplete or unverifiable information. DoorDash uses third-party services like Checker and Sterling to verify your criminal history, driving record, and identity. This is required for compliance. The first step is to log into the Dasher app and navigate to the background check section. Ensure you've uploaded a valid ID, like a driver's license or passport, your social security number, SSN, and proof of address. Double-check for typos and that all documents are current and high resolution. If it's still stuck, the app may prompt you to upload additional documentation. Don't resubmit unless prompted to avoid delays and duplicates. If uploading documents doesn't resolve the issue within 48 hours, contact DoorDash support. You can reach them via the app's help center or email at support@doordash.com. Due to recent AI-driven improvements, most background checks are completed within 1 to 3 days. However, high application volumes can still cause delays, especially during peak seasons like the holidays. If you suspect a database error, such as a name mismatch, explain this to DoorDash support. DoorDash has been known to offer compensation in such cases. Remember, DoorDash is required to respond to disputes within 30 days under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. So stay persistent.